It's Dr. Rajsree Nambudripad, and today I'm so excited to share with you my favorite recipe for paleo brownies. So these brownies are gluten-free, dairy-free, and they're paleo, so they're lower in carbs compared to standard brownies. Did you know that brownies are loaded in flavonoids? Because it has cacao powder, which is a superfood loaded in antioxidants. Cacao powder also has a compound, phenylethylamine, which can elevate your mood, so it's like a natural antidepressant. Did you know that cacao powder is loaded in minerals? So it's a great source of magnesium, calcium, zinc, iron, copper, and manganese. Cacao powder can improve your body's production of nitric oxide, which can help to lower blood pressure. The antioxidants in cacao powder are also great for your heart and blood vessels, and they're also anti-aging. Cacao powder does have some caffeine, so if you're sensitive to caffeine, it's probably best not to have one of these brownies right before bedtime. Okay, so who's ready to make brownies? To make the brownies, gather up all your ingredients and get 2 large bowls so you have one for the dry ingredients and one for the wet ingredients. Unlike traditional brownies, which use all-purpose flour, we're using almond flour, which is really low in carbs and also a good source of protein and fiber. So we start with 2 cups of almond flour. Next, we add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Try to find aluminum-free baking powder. Next, we add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we get to add the superfood, cacao powder. We're going to use 1/2 cup of cacao powder. Then you grab a whisk and you just mix together the dry ingredients. So now let's start on our wet ingredients. So get your other big bowl and you're going to add 2 eggs. So these are pasture-raised eggs. So they're a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. So they're also a superfood. So the fat in these brownies is olive oil. So I'm using light olive oil, and olive oil is a wonderful source of monounsaturated fat. So you need 3/4 cups of olive oil, and it makes the brownies really moist. Next, we're going to sweeten the brownies with maple syrup. So there's no refined sugar in these brownies, and maple syrup is a great source of trace minerals. So we're going to use 1/2 cup of maple syrup. And you'll find that these brownies are not overly sweet. They're actually just the right amount of sweetness. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of almond milk. You want to use unsweetened almond milk. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So now just whisk together the wet ingredients so it's all nicely mixed together. Now that you have the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients ready, we're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients in batches. So go ahead and add about 1/3 of the dry ingredients at a time and then stir it together so it's really well mixed. Next, go ahead and add the second batch. So the second third of dry ingredients are going into the wet ingredients, and go ahead and mix that really well. Okay, so you get the idea. Now we're on our final batch. Finally, we're going to add walnuts. So if you look at a walnut, it has the shape of the human brain. That's because walnuts are great for your brain. They're loaded in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential fatty acids. So let's chop up 1/2 cup of walnuts. There's nothing like the smell of a homemade brownie batter. It smells so chocolatey and delicious. Before you pour the batter into your brownie dish, I recommend putting a little bit of olive oil just so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And just kind of spread it around with a little paper towel. Now the final step, we're just going to add all the batter into the brownie dish, and then we're ready to bake. Okay, so let's bake these brownies for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. So I just took the brownies out of the oven and they smell amazing. So the way we can make sure the brownies are cooked is by taking a knife and go ahead and insert it into the brownies. And if the knife comes out clean, you know the brownies are cooked. So, who wants a brownie for breakfast? Why not? These brownies are nutrient dense and doctor approved. To all my subscribers, thank you for watching. And if you're new to my channel, hope you decide to subscribe and check out my other videos. Please leave your questions and comments below. I'd love to hear from you all. Thank you again and have a wonderful day.